If your GoDaddy domain has expired, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to renew it step by step, quickly and safely. This is important because an expired domain can affect your website, email, and online branding, so the sooner you renew it, the better. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to log in, find your domain, renew it, and complete the purchase without confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then enter the email address and password associated with the account that owns the domain. If you use a password manager, now is a good time to use it because signing into the correct account is the most important first step. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GoDaddy dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the section called My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your registered domains, hosting plans, and related services. Click on My Products to open the full list of items connected to your account. If you own multiple domains, take a moment here to identify the exact one you want to renew, especially if the domain has already expired or is close to expiring. Next, find the domain you want to renew and click DNS next to it. Even though this option says DNS, it helps you move into the settings area for that domain so you can access the renewal controls. After that, go to Domain Settings. This is where GoDaddy places the options for managing your domain, including renewals, ownership, and other important settings. Inside Domain Settings, look for the Renew Now button and click it. This is the action that starts the renewal process for your expired domain. Once you click Renew Now, GoDaddy will take you to the checkout flow so you can choose how long you want to extend the registration. At this stage, you may see different renewal options depending on your domain type and account settings. Now continue to checkout. You'll be brought to a purchase page where you can review what's being renewed and confirm the order. Take your time here and make sure the domain name is correct before moving forward. This is also a good point to double-check if there are any extra services being added that you don't need. Next, select your renewal period. GoDaddy usually gives you options like 1 year or multiple years, depending on the domain and availability. Choosing a longer renewal period can save time later and help you avoid the domain expiring again too soon. Pick the renewal period that makes the most sense for your website, your business, and your budget. After that, review your order carefully. Look over the renewal period, the total price, and any additional items that may be included. If everything looks correct, go ahead and complete the purchase. Once payment is processed, your domain should be renewed and reactivated according to GoDaddy's system. And that's it. You've successfully renewed an expired domain in GoDaddy. If you were able to follow along, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tutorials that save you time and make these tasks much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.